Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections Flowers and Vegetables. This is my ornamental container garden for peppers, and I just wanted to showcase today, for obvious reasons, the black pearl pepper. It's a 2006 All America Selections winner, and it's absolutely beautiful. Beautiful black foliage. You don't really see that anywhere. I highly recommend it for a specimen plant, and just look at all those beautiful black pearl-like peppers on there. The plant is loaded with them, and the more sun it gets, the darker the peppers get, the darker the leaves get, and you can see that it starts out as a green purple color where it's protected, you know, from the sun. There's more green, but the leaves will get this beautiful black, as do the peppers. Over time, these peppers are going to turn to a beautiful orange color, then to a red color, and just imagine this whole pepper, black leaves filled with orange, red, circular peppers on there. It's absolutely stunning. It's a wonderful centerpiece for your garden. Now, in here I also have two other AAS winners. I'll talk about those peppers in future videos, but just look how the black foliage makes the colors of the other peppers just pop out. That's just a beautiful picture right there. The black pearl will get 18 inches, 24 inches tall. It stays compact. I actually have two pepper plants growing in there. If you're growing peppers in about 4 or 5 gallons, you can grow 2 peppers. Now, when you're growing your peppers that you eat, sometimes you'll see black and purple in the joints, and you'll wonder if that's a problem. It's not. These pigments are in the peppers, and sometimes they show up on your peppers that you use, you know, to harvest. But this one, again, ornamental purposes, beautiful black color, and I highly recommend it for your garden. And remember, when you buy an All America Selections winner, the proof is in the plant. And you're going to see that when you pick up these plants. They've won awards, and when you put them in your garden, you're just going to perform wonderfully. Please check out our YouTube channel. We don't run any garden ads. We just bring you great garden videos to help you in your gardens. Thanks so much for watching. And again, this is the black pearl. And just look how beautiful that plant is.